Hey, I'm Mike Pekovich. I'm here at Marc teaching this week where we are making a super cool little tea chest. What I like about it is that it combines a lot of different techniques and skills and challenges in a really small package. And we're having a blast making this thing. The main components of the piece we're teaching are hand-cut dovetails. And on top of that, we're adding some rope handles to it. And what really sets off the top of the box are some Kumiko panels that fill in the lid. And the lid itself is a bit unique in that it hinges in the center so that we can pull out a tray for all your tea. And then the lid slides over to the other side where we've got a second tray as well. So we've got the dovetails, we have mitered trays, we have some Kumiko, we've got some rope handles, and overall it makes for just a blast. A really, really fun week. A lot of new skills and challenges, and I think it's a fantastic project. The students are doing great.